Hey guys, AVAC here, and I'm playing Ghostbusters. It's a pretty freaking old game. I don't even know how I have it, but basically, I thought I should play like a spooky kind of game just because Halloween's tomorrow. So, apparently, I'm leaving on Wednesday for my trip, so I'll be able to upload for you guys for a little while. So, well, just probably for 2 days, but this is Ghostbusters. I probably won't be continuing this. Maybe if you guys like this enough. So basically, I've beaten this game at least once, and I've failed twice at the game and gave up, twice. But, um, without further ado, let's begin.
Are you troubled by strange noises in the night? You experience feelings of dread in your basement or attic. Have you or your family actually seen a spook, specter, or ghost? If the answer is yes, then don't wait another minute. Just pick up the phone and call a professional. Call the Ghostbusters. We're ready to believe you. Free night available soon. Call for the Russell. Hey man, you get an East Wing? Yeah. By the new Ghoster exhibit? Yeah, why? There's something headed your way. Wait. I hear something. I'm gonna take a look. Want to hear something really creepy? I was reading about Shango. You know, the guy who donated most of the Gopher stuff? He was into the occult. You know, supernatural. Weird dude. Why don't we talk about it some other time? Any other time. Hey, you can't be in here. Stop!
There you go, guys. That's the Ghostbusters. I love this movie. I love the second one also. I think there was a third one also. So anyway, this game is pretty good. I like it. It is pretty old, but surprisingly, it actually is pretty good.
Ghostbusters is your haunting an apparition, poltergeist, phantasm, wraith, banshee, demon, spectre, tortured soul. What? No. We
Oh,
cannot
look, there's
summon
Slimer.
dead family members and catch them, so you can ask the combination to the safe. Yeah, well, same to you, pal.
Okay.
Hey, it's the new cadet. Welcome aboard.
Yeah, thank you.
Great. Danger is our life. We'll start at 50% capacity. That should keep any burning.
I miss that guy. That guy that's preparing the proton pack. He died a kind of a while ago. Like the actors that actually made the Ghostbuster movie. You know, one of the main characters. I think he died also. But I know that, I forgot all their names already. But I know that the middle guy didn't die yet. He's still alive. But, so anyway, this game is pretty long. I don't know if I do playthrough because I kind of quit my Batman playthrough. Arkham Asylum. Let me know if you guys want me to keep playing that.
Was that us? I don't think so. We're in here? That'd be some sort of psi energy pulse. Substantial, a significant collected and centralized necromantic convulsion, level 7 or more. Agreed. We need EMF measurement checks now.
I know the answer, but I'm gonna ask anyway. Is a level 7, whatever, bad or very bad?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say. Let me guess. It's a 7. Let's just say we're about to get real busy.
Oh, Slimer's escaped.
And that is not
Silly Slimer. Okay. Whoa, okay, this turn right now. Hold on. Freaking see this sensitivity freaking turned up.
Slimer's escaped again.
There we go. Freaking. Actually, I think I just made that worse. Hold on. Okay, guys, I fix it. So let's slide down the pole. I know you can do this, which is really fun. Okay. Oh look, there's the Ghostbusters car. That's pretty cool. It's pretty nice. Okay, let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going down. Ooh, I can jump. Whee! Kind of forgot the controls of this game. Oh, there he is.
There it is. It seems oddly drawn to the containment grid. He's been fascinated with it ever since you added the viewer to the unit. Okay, easy now, kid.
Hold on, guys. Before I blast Slimer, I need to change up the volume. Okay, guys, let's blast this freak. Uh-oh.
That's some highly sensitive equipment you're disintegrating there, kid.
Oh, crap.
Oops, you
Uh-oh.
That's my fault. I was fine-tuning the interspatial gasket this afternoon. I'll fix it. You two get those ghosts back.
Okay. Looks like we're capturing some ghosts.
And his escapee friend went with him. Come on, kid. We got a job for you.
Okay. Let's go, bro. What's that? Oh, yeah, that's the recovery trap. I like that.
Let's go get him.
Let's go get him.
Oh, and don't sweat the containment. It's easy to get excited your first time out with the proton screen.
Okay.
He got to fix it in no time.
Okay, let's do this. Let's go, my proton pack buddy.
Now, first and foremost, before things get out of hand,
I know how to do
I want to
this.
get to know your proton pack.
Ray, that's his name, I think.
Friend out there.
Ray, I know what to do.
Everything you need to know is displayed on the pack itself.
I know what to
Here's
do,
where you keep
man.
an eye on your current fitness. For the most part,
I
capture
freaking know
the
how to play
ghosts
this game,
is pretty
man.
straightforward. We break it into three basic steps. Sap them, cap them, and trap them. Spectral entities derive all their strength from an accumulation of PK energy. Blasting them with your proton stream or other offensive equipment helps to dissipate them. Dissipating their PK energy also makes them easier to capture.
Okay. Let's blast them.
Yeah, that's the stuff. See that overlay on the ghost? It indicates the current accumulation of a
Come
ghost
on.
PK. The more you disperse, the weaker it becomes.
Come on. Come here, Slimer. Come here. Freaking piece of crap. Freaking destroy all these boxes. They're so annoying. Come here. Ow, what the frick? Across the streams. Whoops. Okay, come here. Come here. I'm gonna slam you around a bit. Oh, don't slime me. Piece of crap. Nope.
We lost Slimer.
Oh gosh.
Ugh.
So disgusting. Sloth ghost. Ugh. That's gross. Okay.
Thought Slimer was disgusting.
I know, right, man? This guy looks like he's had like 5 different Happy Meals. Dang. Dude, go on a diet, man. It's disgusting. Did you just vomit on me? Oh, that's it. I'm definitely capturing you. You piece of crap. Come here. You're not getting away from me.
Got it good and winded. Next stage, cap. You can project the capture stream or wrangler manually using this control. On the other hand, the pack will detect when a ghost is sufficiently weakened and auto-select
Oh, that's
the
not
capture
it.
stream setting.
Come here.
Get in there and throw a capture stream on that tub of goo.
Stop trying to vomit on me, man.
Fantastic, you got it.
Yep.
Your ghost is in your capture
Freaking got him. He's mine now.
different ghosts at different rates. They all
Oh,
look
frick.
the same in the end.
Oh, frick. Oh, frick. No, no, you're staying in there. Yeah.
And there.
Sucker.
Oh, yes. One escapee accounted for. Oh, and always remember to retrieve your trap. Did you get them? We're batting 500. Slimer slipped out. Our cadet bagged his first one, though. Very nasty customer. Oh, and
Yeah.
you gotta be very careful about crossing the streams. In a word, don't do it.
Yep.
Seriously. Stings like the dickens, too. Hey, how come this monk gets all the new stuff?
He's our new experimental equipment technician.
He gets a cool title, too? It means he gets to carry around a bunch of untested, extremely dangerous hardware that, if not handled correctly, could blow him somewhere into New Jersey.
Oh,
No,
thanks,
this
guys.
knucklehead lugs around our very dangerous prototype hardware that could potentially blow us into New Jersey. Thanks. Keep the title, kid. It'll work hard for you.
Okay, thanks, man. Freaking jerk.
Scooter, we need to go. Let's roll.
Okay. Hold on, bud. Let's just freaking go. Just get Slimer. So we can get this butthole.
The Cedric Hotel. That's the first place that little spud will go.
Right. Back to its initial manifestation point.
They've got a real good buffet. It is a great one. When Winston returns from the opera, extend an invitation to join us at our table with Cedric. Hey, you're up, buddy. Training will be on the job tonight. Try not to destroy too many men on landmarks.
Okay. Ooh. Let's go, guys. Let's destroy these ghosts. It was like the place from the movie. First one.
That disgusting green blob is up on the 12th floor again, wreaking havoc. I demand a refund right now.
Sir, if you check the fine print on our invoice. Invoices. Right, invoices. You'll see that your warranty on rehaunting expired some time ago. You should have taken the extended service agreement.
Let's go, guys. We can come here for
Getting some
nothing.
interesting PKE spikes here. Disturbances don't seem to be exclusive to the 12th floor. I'd like the chance to look around the building a little more.
Okay.
Pick up what you can. That little greenie shouldn't cause us too much trouble.
Oh, hello.
Well, hello. You're perfectly safe now, Mass. The Ghostbusters are here.
Back off, loser. Never gonna happen.
Ooh.
That approach rarely
Got a
works.
savage.
I'll show you why later.
Like I said, freaking savage.
All right, Ace. Get ready. Dr. Stan?
Oh, crap. He freaking skipped the cutscene.
Nice.
Sorry, guys.
Another plaintiff.
Didn't mean to freaking do that.
Oh, come on, Ray. I'm the one that gets a face full of slime every time the little green buddy escapes. You don't
Oh.
even know? Watch
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Freaking...
it. Contact!
Really? Bruh. Oh. Ow. What the frick, man?
Ah, yow!
What the frick is your deal? Freaking Slimer, man. I'm gonna kill him.
Alright, showtime. We wear him out, then we capture him. That's what your proton stream is for.
Disgusting little piece of crap. Come here.
I'm on the run! Come on, let's go! Peter!
Ah,
I've
great.
seen this one already. Know how it ends. You two have fun now. I'll cover the elevators and escort any lanes safely to their rooms. Yeah, okay. And this signal looks just like your elusive little targeted entity. Your meter will flash and buzz when it detects a potential signal. The
Okay.
goggles are linked directly to your active PKE meter. This lets you see otherwise undetectable phenomena while you track it.
Okay.
Trails, object auras, all kinds of cool events.
Yeah, that does sound cool.
The center bar keys. You're headed in the right direction.
Ooh, wee.
Flat.
Look at that. Someone didn't forgot to freaking cover their nose and they sneezed. That's for sure. Now how to get out of this. Oh, yeah, I know. Green slime. Whatever. No biggie.
Red signifies a hidden ghost. Green indicates an environmental paranormal anomaly. Blue means an active sound.
Okay. Oh. Something spooky.
Getting warmer.
Spooky skeletons. Ooh.
Getting a good scan is sort of like taking a good snapshot.
Ooh.
When you've got an entity in range, hold the scan button. This will analyze the ghost's PKE signatures and cross-reference them with your online.
Oh, purchase upgrade. Let's get an upgrade. Okay, blast stream focusing. Blast stream recoil. Scanning improvement. Recharge booster. Fast trap. Slam dunking. Okay, it looks like we only need a blast stream focus. So let's get that. Okay, that's good. I think I hear a little girl singing, which is creepy. By the way, guys, Freddy Krueger came out for Dead by Daylight. I'm gonna buy him, guys, and I'm gonna freaking play him, guys. This will be so awesome. For all those spooky things, because Freddy Krueger is out.
Whoa, he's definitely been.
And I knew he's gonna come out.
An active sample is something you can collect, like a cursed artifact.
So,
get paid extra for everything we
So I'm not getting Leatherface or Michael Myers. Maybe Michael Myers for like, you know, the Halloween spirit, but I don't want to spend all my money. So he's probably like $5 or something.
You get to wear on your back to test.
So, yeah, sure, okay. Ray. Hey, Ray, man. Can you let me speak? Can you let me speak, bud?
All accessible from your PKE meter.
Okay. I really don't care, but, you know, whatever.
Peter, come in. You okay?
You okay, bud?
Uh-oh, man down. We've got a man down. Go, go, go!
Let's go, Ray.
Come on, shake a leg. You can move faster than that, can't you? Double time, cadet.
Let's run.
He's been slimed again.
Oh, wow, that sucks for him. Boy, he deserves it.
Didn't happen. I was covering the elevator.
Do. Let's just destroy this. What?
Again. When one of us goes down, we always help each other out.
Yeah, I can tell.
It's all about teamwork.
Oh no, my friend. That was back in the pre-slamming era. Right now, it's all about payback.
You guys need to get down here immediately. Our living science experiment is tearing apart the lobby, and he's not alone.
More ghosts? But we gave this hotel a clean bill of health 5 years ago.
New people died every day.
Call the elevator, Junior.
Okay, so guys, I just want to, like, say something real quick before, you know, we move on. So Freddy Krueger, it was a pretty scary dude. Like, basically, he haunts your dreams and, you know, kills you in your dreams. Once you die in your dreams, you're dead in real life. So, basically, he's a pretty cool killer. If you haven't seen him already, then you're in for a treat. I recommend that you don't. Just, you know, if you want to see me play him, then, you know, just wait for it. It'll probably be on Monday, because I get my money from my report card for getting good grades. So, yeah. Let's continue this. Oh, yep, gotta call the elevator. Silly recruit. You know what?
Today's not my target.
My name is Louie. You guys accept that now. This is my name for this guy. Let's do this.
All right, Slimer. You've had your fun. The elevator's off limits. Egon, come in. I think we're stuck in the elevator. We need some help.
Think we're stuck. Well, let's see. Think we're stuck. Think we're stuck. Think we're stuck. Ray, you guys good with officially stuck in the elevators? Show of hands.
Here it comes.
Kill it, Ray!
Need a hand?
Huh.
You always figure, don't you?
Come here. Oh, you get back here, bud. Ah, we have to deal with these guys first. Freaking piece of crap. I just want to deal with Slimer and you guys are in my way. Ah, you freaking hit me with the table. Piece of crap. Come here. Oh yeah, you're mine. You're mine, buddy. Come here. No. Yeah, you come here. No. Stop resisting. Son of a... Ugh, freaking pieces of crap. Give me my trap. And come here. You're a pain in my butt. Come here. You're gonna go down. You should accept it, man. Yeah, there we go.
Shockwave disturbed the nest. Man, this love is so rapid.
Yeah, I know, right, man?
Please call Winston and tell him his night off is officially ended.
Ah, and Slimer, come here. Oh, hold on, guys. I need to go charge my phone. Actually, guys, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Okay. Well, I just got RKO'd. Come here. Little piece of crap. Ah, what the frick, man? I keep getting RKO'd. I'm like, not even kidding right now. I'm getting, like, are these guys the ghosts of John Cena or freaking something? Okay, guys, well, I'm gonna end the first episode here. I'll record more, but probably post some next week. Well, like, the next week after this upcoming week. So, see you guys, later.